Standard 10 Yoga Health and Physical Education. Chapter number 14 Volleyball. वॉलीबॉल वो एक आउटडोर गेम है. इंडोर भी खेल सकते हैं, आउटडोर में भी खेल सकते हैं. उसका मेजरमेंट 9/18 मीटर्स का है. एक नेट होती है और 12-12 प्लेयर की 2 टीम होती है, जिसमें से 6 प्लेयर सब्स्टिट्यूट होते हैं और 6 प्लेयर अंदर खेलते हैं. वॉलीबॉल में इंटरनेशनल गेम है, ओलंपिक गेम है, जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में खेली जाती है और इंडिया में भी खेली जाती है. तो हम देखते हैं कि वॉलीबॉल का मेजरमेंट क्या है, किस तरह से खेली जाती है, उसका ग्राउंड क्या है, किस टाइप की उसका इक्विपमेंट की ज़रूरत है, कौन सी उसकी टेक्निक से स्किल है, वो सब अभी हम इस चैप्टर में देखेंगे. Volleyball is an international game which is played in open air ground and in gymnasium indoor hall. Volleyball game was invented in 1895 by Professor William G. Morgan. This game is developed by YMCA Institute. This game was started at general level in America, which was developed very fast at international level. During Berlin Olympic demonstration of game was organized in 1936. This game was officially included in Olympic Games of Tokyo, Japan in 1964. The volleyball game was started in India by YMCA. National Volleyball Federation was formed in 1950. Asian Volleyball Federation was established in 1954. First Asian Volleyball Championship was held in Tokyo, Japan 1955. This championship was won by India. This game was officially included in the third Asian Game, which was held at Tokyo during 1958. Volleyball is also very much popular amongst boys and girls in Gujarat state. Various competitions are organized in cities and rural areas. Volleyball 1895 में विलियम जी मॉर्गन नाम के प्रोफेसर थे, उन्होंने शुरू किया था. अमेरिका में शुरू हुआ, अमेरिका से फिर आगे बढ़ते हुए ओलंपिक में शामिल हुआ और इंडिया में भी शुरुआत हुई. 1950 में उसका एक फेडरेशन एसोसिएशन बना था और फर्स्ट एशियन वॉलीबॉल फेडरेशन 1954 में कंपटीशन हुआ और वो इंडिया ने जीता था. ये पूरा उसका इतिहास यहाँ पर दिखाया गया है. अभी देखेंगे वॉलीबॉल के ग्राउंड का मेजरमेंट क्या है, किस तरह ग्राउंड होता है, वो देखेंगे. The volleyball ground is 18 meter long and 9 meter wide. The free playing place shall measure a minimum of 7 meters in height from the playing surface. All lines of ground are 5 meters wide and they are a part of ground. 5 centimeter wide line in the center of the court divides the playing court into equal parts. It is called central line. 3 meters away from the central line, 5 meters wide parallel to central line in each side line drawn is called attack line. यानी ये एरिया. Space between attack line and central line is called attack zone. The attack line is extend 1.75 meters from side line. 20 cm away from the sideline, 15 cm wide lines drawn between the side are called service zone. इक्विपमेंट्स, जो साधन चाहिए वॉलीबॉल में, वो देखेंगे अभी. पोस्ट, द पोस्ट सपोर्टिंग द नेट आर प्लेस्ड एट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 1 meter आउटसाइड द साइड लाइन. दे आर 2.55 meters हाई, राउंड एंड स्मूथ. नेट, द नेट इज 1 meter wide and 9.50 meters long. Made by of 10 centimeter squares. At its top there is a horizontal band 5 centimeter wide made of 2 fold white canvas shown along its full length. Each extreme end of the band has a hole through which passes a cord fastening the band to the post for keeping it to right top tight. Side bands. Two, two white banners are fixed vertically to the net and placed directly above each sideline. They are 5 cm wide and 1 meter long, are considered as a part of the net. Antenna. An antenna is flexible rod 1.80 meters long and 10 cm in diameter, made of fiberglass or similar material. An antenna is fastened at the outer edge of each side band. The antenna are placed on both sides of the net. The top of each antenna extends 80 cm above the net and is marked with 10 cm strips of contrast color, preferably red and white. The cards which are used in the game is yellow and red cards, which shown to the player at the time of game. Height of the net. Height of the net for men is 2.43 centimeters and for women is 2.24 meters. Ball. The ball shall be sharply made of flexible leather or synthetic case with the bladder inside made of rubber or a similar material. 4-number ball is used in volleyball game. Its weight is 262 to 80 grams and its circumference is 65 to 67 centimeter. Now the skill which are used in volleyball. जो स्किल है, किस तरह से टेक्निक से कैसे वॉलीबॉल खेला जाता है, वो अभी यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज सर्विस. आउटसाइड द एंड लाइन ऑफ वंस ओन कोर्ट, a player tosses the ball with one hand and sends it over the net of the opposite side by hitting the ball with the fist or any part of hand is called service. Following are the types of service. The first is simple service, underhand service. Right handed player puts his left hand forward, tossing the ball near waist with the left hand and swinging right hand backward to forward and hits the ball with bases of palm of that hand and send it from over the net to opposite side. The second is sidearm service. The right-handed player puts left root forwarded. Left shoulder should be direction of the net and in the position he tosses the ball up to his head level. As the ball comes down, exits right hand sideward and hits the ball to send it to the net to the other side. The third one is tennis service. Right-handed player tosses the ball higher than the level of head by the left hand and the overextend his right hand upward and behind head. As well as ball comes down his head level, he quickly smashes with the right hand forward and with the palm of his right hand sends it over the net to the opposite side.